A German delegation visited southwest China's Chongqing from Wednesday to Saturday to explore cooperation opportunities in intelligence manufacturing. Invited by the China International Investment Promotion Agency, the delegation consisted of representatives from 25 German companies and institutions. The group aimed to expand into the Chinese market by seeking investment and joint ventures. During the visit, agreements were reached on investment promotion, intelligent manufacturing, and vocational education.
I'm the first time here in China. I want to say thank you very much for the warm welcome. We had a lot of very interesting and also heartwarming discussions here, which creates maybe opportunities for a future business.
We are supporting and helping small and mid-sized Chinese companies on the eastern side of China, and now we are looking forward to set up an office here in Chongqing or in Chengdu. The German and the Chinese side have to work, I think, even closer in the future together.
I'm the sixth time here in China. We have 25 years international cooperations and also with China in exchange of teachers and students. The delegation was very good for me because I have a lot of impressions in modern technology. This country and this region is very quick in developing. We have some meetings with vocational schools here, and our aim is to bring this education in a better level. Both sides can learn from each other.